This is called an S-clamp. Today I'm at a company called Era. So, unanga hizi fittings za Hdpe ili prevent kuharibu hizi meno. These ones are usually very fragile. So don't use a metallic pipe wrench. You can use such a clamp. So the way it's modified, shika hizi ridges. Unaona? So it can work for as little as a half all the way to 2.5 inch. So this is what I wanted to show you. Nateki mali, reclines ndo hizo. Unaweza silver, unaweza black. Fittings hapa na pale. You can see, these are ball valves. These are carbon emitters, single emitters, silver drip lines. So PVC fittings are also here in plenty. Kujipata hii maeneo ya ICD, you need irrigation fittings. Pop up hapa Era. Jacinta ndio kameramani, waambie tu namba
0719609662.
Yes,
that's my number.
Ulizia Jacinta fittings irrigation materials was plugged hapo, nimewaplug tena na tena. There is the company name Era. Go down imejaa, can see.